Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special unboxing here. It's my first Polene bag. So let's get right into it. Everyone knows Polene bags. They're like super famous. There's so many good reviews. So let's see if I like it as much as I think that I will. I actually ordered, here it is. I ordered this on Sunday and it came on Tuesday. So it was super unexpectedly fast. Box is a bit different than the other unboxings I've watched. This is the box. It's pretty minimalistic, recycled. Let's see. Here it is. Okay, there is the Polene numero 10 explanation for the straps. And here it is, numero 10 in camel, textured camel. Let's see, here is an extra strap and here is the bag. I actually ordered this one and then I also got Sim and numero 9. When I was looking at the models on the website, I really liked this one and I liked all of them, so how to decide, right? I liked this one from the smaller ones. I liked numero 1, and I liked numero 9. And Sim, but Sim is like a bigger bag, kind of falls in a different category than these bags. I ordered this one in camel. I ordered Sim in camel as well. My favorites were camel and cognac, but I feel like this one will be more wearable during the whole year, not only autumn, winter, because the cognac is a bit darker. Sim model fits a lot of stuff, while I feel like this one is going to be my daily bag. I really wanted something easy to carry, something that I will be able to, here it is, gorgeous. Something that I will be able to, you know, have my hands free, pick up my dog, whatever, something for traveling. It is gorgeous. Let's see. Oh my god. I really love this one. I've never seen these bags in person. This is the first time that I'm seeing it. I saw some of the complaints that it's very difficult to get into the bag, but I don't know. Maybe it's not that simple, but I don't think that this is going to be a problem. I'm gonna take this out. Okay, this is how it looks like from the inside. It is definitely very well made, and I'm gonna see what fits here. So I have my wallet. It's like a card holder, small wallet, car keys, hand cream, lip balm, and lipstick. I have this little thing for my bangs that I always carry with me. Mirror, regular keys, and my phone. I could actually fit more stuff in here, but I think for daily use, this is all that I need. I've seen on some of the pictures that this part, the strap here, just like goes on the other side, so I don't know what will happen with that. I love this design right here when it is just following the line of this half moon bag. It kind of looks like maybe alien-ish. I love it. I feel like this is going to be definitely my very, very worn bag. That is exactly what I wanted it for. It seems very, very durable. I feel like it's also going to be great for traveling. My passport holder fits easily. and the bag shape doesn't change at all. I've said this bag arrived in 2 days, which is kind of crazy. I never expected that. It is within European Union, so I guess that's why. I was still surprised though, especially as some of the models are going to be the same bag that I ordered is going to be shipped in December. Anyways, this was my review of the Polene bag. The quality looks amazing. It is textured grained leather. I chose this one because of the durability. I was reading that the smooth leather is much more sensible to scratching, and I feel like for this bag specifically that I will be wearing a lot, I think, while I travel, just like a daily bag, I feel like this is going to be a better choice. I loved that this zipper is not so gold. Like, it is golden, but it's not like screaming you know, gold. It has a small, very subtle logo. The size is fantastic. It actually looks, when I got the box, it kind of looked small, but when I saw everything that I can fit here, it is more than enough for me. Thank you so much for watching. I will be reviewing the other 2 bags when they arrive as well. Bye bye.